Okay everyone, this is Editing Hub. Before I started my tutorials, I have a short announcement to all of you guys. Starting in this video, I will start making videos with a voiceover, like this. But guys, this is not my real voice. If you want to learn how, don't worry, I will make tutorial of this soon, so stay tuned. Now let's jump into our tutorial.
I've been
In this video we are going to create this. So, open your Powerdirector app and tap the plus icon. I will calling this project to signature text. Then tap 16:9 aspect ratio. Add your video in your timeline. Then go to 5 seconds and split your video, then remove the excess clips. Tap overlay, select text, then tap default text. Tap to edit. Go to Designer, then tap Font, then select the signature font. I will provide this font in my description. Then go back, tap an animation, then select pop-up 1, increase duration around 2 seconds. Then go back, tap out animation, then select fade, decrease duration around 0.5 seconds. Now tap the text layer, then go to Designer, then select the shadow. Just follow my steps. Okay, go back, then tap the media, select music, then add the writing sound effect. At exactly 2 seconds, split the sound effect, and remove the excess part. Tap your video, then tap the pen tool. then select Filter, tap Scenery Filter, then select Spring. OK, go back, tap Effect, then select Gaussian Blur Effect, then decrease the degree to 10%. Tap Overlay, then add a cinematic bars. Tap the pen tool, then select keyframe, then change scale to 1. Perfect. Now save your project. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.